Hello everybody, Martina here. It is Monday again, time for cooking. And I do have a nice video for you today. I got my tea ready, as always. I hope you have a pen and paper ready to write things down and follow me along. I do have a potato dish today, curried potatoes. I don't know if you like Indian cooking. I do like it. I don't eat a lot of spices, but I do love the aroma, the flavors, and so I do a potato dish. And curried potatoes is so easy to do. You can't do anything wrong. I say that all the time. With cooking, you can't really do much wrong. It tastes or it doesn't, and if it doesn't, you add a little bit more salt and you're good to go. So I just start my video, you follow me along, and we'll see what happens. I do have my Instant Pot ready. I love to cook in it. It goes so quick. I'm just checking if it's hot enough. It is in a saute mode. The medium setting, and I'm just gonna check, spread the water a little bit around. I'm adding my spices, some cumin, jalapeno peppers, and some curry powder, and I'm just roasting or toasting it for a few minutes to get all the aromas coming out, and it smells really fantastic at that point already. It goes so quick. Don't worry about it. Just put it in, have it hot, and stir it around for a while. It won't take long, just a few minutes. Of course, onion, you always need onions. I never cook without one large onion chopped up. You just saute it. As you see, I do saute without oil again. And once in a while I will add a little bit water to it to just get the dark parts off from the bottom so it can be infused into the onions and the potatoes and whatever. The pot is still in saute mode. Now I'm adding my garlic. I do like garlic. It is really up to you how much you put in. I wish I had a button which would say, sorry, I eat garlic, or sorry, I love garlic. I have to think about that, because sometimes I would think I get quite stinky. So I'm adding more spices, ginger, turmeric. Then you just cook it for a while. And I do eat a lot of potatoes. I love potatoes. If anybody tells you they make you fat or they're not good for you, yeah, don't get me started. If people would eat more potatoes and less other things, we would all be a lot better off, a lot healthier and happier. So 8 cups of potatoes. It doesn't matter what kind, whatever you have, whatever you like. 2 cups of frozen peas. And you just give it a good stir. Then I'm gonna get my sauce ready. I have half a pack of tofu, soft tofu, turmeric, curry powder, and salt. So you can see all the ingredients standing on the side. And 2 cups of water. I blend it up in my Vitamix. It really goes very quick. It doesn't take long. And then you just add it to your potatoes. Now that I see it again, it was already, I would say, a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. I want to make it again. Leftovers freeze very well. Then I decided I want to add some chickpeas. This is, I think, about 4 cups. Give it a stir. Put a lid on, and then I realized I made a mistake. Lid comes open again, and I forgot to add my tomatoes. I think I only had 2 tomatoes. I would put in more next time, so that's why I said 3 tomatoes. And they were very small anyway, so I would add a little bit more next time. So the saute mode is already turned off by now. I'm just adding everything, give it a stir, and I put my lid back on. And I put it on high pressure for 2 minutes. Make sure that you have the pressure seal on sealing, the pressure vent on sealing. And then you see in a little moment how that little red thing goes down, up. So it was already up. Sometimes I cut so much stuff out. You let it sit for 10 minutes, then you take the pressure out. The rest of it takes a few minutes. And that's about it. Then it's done. It was delicious. I wish you would try it and let me know how you like it. It was very enjoyable. So it's very easy, as I said before. Don't be shy. Let me know what you think. I did add some spinach to it. You can add how much you like it. You could even still use rice and serve it over rice if you like. We ate it just like that. Sometimes I have, if I have a lentil loaf, or I can use that on the side. If you have soy curls made up, you can put them on. There are so many options to use other things with that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please put the thumb up. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next Monday. And I think I'm gonna show you next Monday how I make my face cream, my body cream, so my body butter. I think that's the better word for it. All natural. So you have a wonderful week, and I see you next week. Until then, cheers.